Welcome back, everyone. If this is your first time here, my name's Tim. Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. So today's video is going to be awesome because we're dropping off our second soda machine. So it's like our second soda machine location, but it's our third full line location, but it's like our sixth vending machine location. Anyways, today's cool. But I got to do everything from scratch because the machine used to be set up for energy drinks and now it's going to be set up for soda. So I have to move all the guide bars. I have to reset all the pricing. I have to buy soda, and they actually gave me a list this time. So that's always great when they give you a list. So anyways, stick around and don't go anywhere. Today's a good day. We're dropping off our second location. Well, this is the second time we've got a second location. But anyways, we gotta go get stuff for it. We gotta go get sodas. I got a list of what they want, and we're gonna go drop it off today. I'm excited, guys. This is awesome. You wanna take me to go get some sodas?
Yes!
Yes, you're the best. Oh, Costco's the worst. They don't have any Pepsi. Or, well, they have Pepsi. It's in a different area, but I mean, all they have is Coke, Mountain Dew, Sprite. Oh, Sprite's on the list. Sprite's on the list. Sprite is not on the list. Shoot. Wish they had like the flat carts. Should have probably grabbed one of those because we're gonna need a lot of soda. It feels light, like there's some missing off.
It's something, it's weird. It's not like the other one.
Yeah, these are all nice and stiff.
Yeah.
I'm getting a stiffy.
Oh, okay. Weirdo.
Ran over my foot. Alright, so here's the Pepsi. Let me see them muscles. Dang, girl, you work out? Do you even work out?
No.
Do you even lift, bro?
Yeah. Pepsi, Coke, Mountain Dew. What the hell is
high voltage? You can't cuss on my channel, man.
Root beer, water, Walmart. They want an entire Walmart in there?
There's no Walmart. We gotta get stuff. I swear, too, this is the first time I've had Jamba Juice. Can you tell me when the last time I had it was? I got a vitamin C, whatever it's called. Stuff's alright. I mean, you know, whatever. Alright guys, we're almost done. We had to go to two different spots because Costco, they don't have 20-ounce Gatorade bottles. Who would have thunk? I mean, I should have known because they don't carry everything. So anyways, Costco, I got the Squirt, the Pepsi, and the Mountain Dew, but I had to come to Target, and normally I would have went to Walmart for the Gatorades, but I need 20-ounce Gatorades in order to work in the machine. Costco only had the 16.9-ounce Gatorades and only in mixed packs. So in order to get, they requested the blue and the red, right? So in order to get just packs of blue and red, I had to go to Walmart. But I had to make a quick stop because I'm with my wife and she needed to stop by Target. And at Target, the Gatorades were 1 cent cheaper than Walmart. So what the heck, man? 1 cent cheaper. These things cost me about 80-something cents a piece. So I'm gonna have to sell them for like $1.25. I hope they're okay with that. Maybe $1.50. We'll see. All right, let's go get this thing loaded up. And then I gotta make labels. Ugh!
Have a good day.
Thank you. 24.56. test room, you guys. Zelda. Oh, she's always at my feet. Say hi, Zelda. Say hi to the folks at home. Hi, the puppers. All right, guys, so we're all clean. I got the truck cleaned out, but I can't load that machine by myself no matter how hard I try. So I got to pick up my buddy Chris. There he is. See him? Here he comes. Here he comes, guys. Yeah, Armed Forces. It's Chris. Say hi, Chris. Ooh, see that?
Hi, Chris.
He works out. All right, let's go. She's in the truck now, but not for long. Right, Chris?
Yup.
Yup. Hey. Yeah, second location. Sorry I didn't really show you guys unloading it and all that jazz. It's really hot and I just wanted to get it done real quick. I had a buddy helping me and I don't want to like keep them, you know, too long. So anyways, we got it, guys. It's in. We got our labels made. Got it all loaded up. Oh, look how pretty it looks. I like it when it's loaded up, but I'll tell you what, I like it even better when it's empty. Okay. There it is, you guys. I got my second location. Again, my second location. This is my second location. All right, so we got Mountain Dews, Pepsis, root beers, Coca-Colas, Rockstars. Try to get rid of these dang things. I got them priced at $1 just to move them. Gatorades. All right, dude. So wish me luck, guys. We'll see how this location does. Yeah, it's crazy how I got this location too. I'll explain to you guys. All right, guys. So the homegirl Emily here is an old friend, and she hooked me up with the location. So, yeah, I really appreciate it.
No problem, Tim.
Dude,
I
it's
do
so
what I
cool.
can.
You know, I go out there and I struggle and I ask all these places, and then all I had to do is just put myself out there, and then
And it just happens.
it just happens. So sometimes you get lucky, guys.
Yep. That's
Yeah.
for sure.
Oh, she's always at my feet. Say hi, Zelda. Say hi to the folks at home. Hi, the puppers.